The Way 31I team just learned the governor and attorney general will not release their official response to the parole board's second corrective action plan.
Within the last week, the governor's office told us to expect a statement today. But in the last 2 hours, the attorney general's office told Way 31 that that won't happen today. We do know the governor thinks there's progress in the second plan, but thinks a lot still needs to change.
Way 31's Brecken Terry is live after trying to piece together what you can expect to happen. Brecken?
I called and emailed the governor and attorney general's offices to see if this winter weather and chance for snow would delay their response. They wouldn't give us a reason, but said it's not going to happen today. We know last week the governor and attorney general met to discuss the parole board's second corrective action plan. The board's second plan reinforced it did not feel the need to change any executive leadership, despite the governor specifically suggesting it. The board's plan also outlined more training for staff with their victim service unit, going to Georgia to see how its parole system works, and said no inmate could come up for parole consideration unless they had a clean disciplinary record for at least 3 years. Now, the governor told us last week they were still reviewing that entire corrective action plan, but said that there is still a lot of things that need to be addressed. Once we get their full response, we will let you know. Live in the Shoals, Brecken Terry, Way 31 News.
All right, thank you, Brecken. These corrective action plans come after the Way 31I team began investigating the parole board's policies and procedures after it released a violent offender serving a life sentence. Jimmy Spencer is now the suspect in a triple homicide that happened last summer in Gunnersville. On your screen, you can see just a few of the disciplinary issues the I-team uncovered that should have kept him from being released from prison. The I-team made several trips to Montgomery and even went to Ohio to learn more about this case. All of our past reporting is online on waytv.com under the I-team tab.